So if you haven't heard yet, it's our birthday. We are turning 20. And if you haven't got your copy yet, guys, you're missing out on the super sexy, beautiful magazine that has been put together with so much heart and love for you. And not only that, but a huge thanks to you who have made us get to the 20 years. And what is a birthday without having a present or a prize? And in this issue, guys, there is a huge garden hamper up for grabs, valued at over 75,000 Rand. Look at all the things that you could possibly win. Stark Airs hampers, plants from Plantland, a lawnmower. These gadgets, drills, jigs, like chainsaw goodies, blowers, more seeds from Mayford. There is so much. There's even a course through Lifestyle College. And to top it all off, 2 people will get to come to lunch in my garden, and we'll have a walk and probably a chop and dop and get to answer some gardening questions and spend some time together. How do you enter? It's really simple. Do you see this sexy babe here? Her name is Dora. That's Dora the garden gnome. She's hidden in the pages. She actually lives in my fern garden, but we moved her to the magazine for the February issue. You got to find her, guys, follow the instructions, tell us what page she's on, and you could be the winner of this amazing giant garden hamper.